Hello everyone. Wish you a very happy new year. Today we are going to see how is going to be this month, that is January 2021. I have given you these two big crystals, pink and white. Please choose from these two. I'll give you 15 seconds. Your time starts now. All right. So whoever has chosen this white crystal, we will go with the white crystal first. And our question is, how is going to be this month, that is January 2021 for me? This answer is going to be for all of you who have chosen the white crystal. Here we go. How is going to be the month of January for all of you who have chosen the white crystal? For some reason or the other, the cards are taking time to come out. All right, quite an encouraging spread I can see. Guys, you must have noticed this card is coming very often for 2021. So people who have chosen this white crystal, for them again this card has appeared for January. So I'm sure you will experience some new contract, some new relationship, some new deal, signing for a new job, getting some new investment. On the whole, this card shows that something you are going to sign, which is a good deal, or getting engaged to your desired person, or finding or coming to a decision as far as your business, job, or relationship is concerned. Very positive card. One more thing I can see, that is, as far as your house or family, first I will talk about your family. As far as your family is concerned, something is coming to an end. That could be anything. That could be, when I say end, I don't mean end of life or something. But it could be anything. It could be end of some problem in your house, or end of some unwanted situation, on or some conflict or some misunderstanding. It could be also end of some relationship also. Uh, but I will not go in that because this card has come in between. So I see a end of something, not so end of something which is unwanted, because this card has come, and a beginning of something good, something new. So it can be anything. It can be some misunderstanding with any of your family members, or some some not so a healthy situation which is coming to an end, and it is bringing a new hope, new a new kind of healthy situation on all of that. And it can be also, as it has come, I think twice or thrice in our previous readings, that in this month itself you can actually finalize or decide to move from where you are living, or where you are staying. You might be moving to somewhere else, or you might be buying a new house, or shifting from where presently you are residing at. That can also happen. And if you are it's a very big answer I'm getting from the cards, that where you are, if at all, people who have chosen this white crystal are going through some financial crunch, or financial issues, that is going to come to an end, because this card has come, and it is mirroring this card. In your family, you can expect a growth of finance, personal finance. You can expect end of that crisis, and end of beginning of personal finance. This is ending, and it is beginning of something new, and that could be finance also. So overall, quite a hopeful situation as far as this month is concerned. But again, this is a general reading. So I hope all of you experience a good beginning in this month, because this is the beginning of 2021. So yeah, it's quite an interesting spread for all of you who have chosen the white crystal. That's all for all of you who have chosen the white crystal. Now we'll go with the pink crystal. Those who have chosen the pink crystal, how is going to be your life in the month of January 2021? Let's see. How is going to be the month of January 2021 for all of you who have chosen the pink crystal? Waiting for one more card to come out. Well, those who have chosen the pink crystal, again, I can see a very this family card has come again, this house card. So I can see a very happy situation in the family. Uh, People will be in your family, whoever is there, if it could be only you and your partner or children or parents, there would be a very cordial environment and very happy situation. Your love life will bloom. It is a very very what should I say, it is a very very healthy, happy, joyful situation you must experience in your family life. You can, if there is some dispute, going on, it could be legal, it could be not legal also, but you are waiting for some answer to come. You will get that answer where you maybe for some times or few months or maybe more than a year you have been going through a sort of dispute with somebody. You are having a legal matter going on, or you are expecting a sort of news to come from you. You do not know the result yet of that, what you are fighting for. You will definitely get some answer, and that answer is going to be good. It is going to be in your favor. Means wherever you are stuck, you will get the solution. The door will open up, so that is going to be a big relief for all of you, whoever is facing this kind of situation and waiting for some result to come. It can be anything. Another thing I can get from this card and this card, that whoever, again, it is also coming quite often, whoever is facing some health issue, especially I would say maybe some body pain, arthritis, knee pain, back pain, sort of things. If you are facing, the cards are saying the solution is to the only and the most important solution is to doing regular workout, exercise, anything, walking, swimming, cycling, yoga, any form of exercise. Please do that. That is going to solve your problem, as far as your health is concerned. And those who are already into exercise and workout, please continue to do that. Okay, so again, this is quite a hopeful spread again has come for all of you who have chosen this pink crystal. Happiness, good environment in the family, love will bloom. If someone is waiting for somebody, that is going to be mature and waiting for some good news to come from not so good matter. It will come and give you a relief and solution. And please guys, continue to do exercise. Who are not doing and having some physical issue, please start doing that. It is going to be solved. Yeah, again, quite an interesting spread for all of you. Okay, so I hope you spend a lovely month, that is month of January 2021. Magic Now wishes you a very, very prosperous, healthy, and gorgeous 2021. Bye-bye.